Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Escape. Stock number is A6860. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Assurance tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are all mounted to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.